let's look at some collocations. What are collocations? In fact, a collocation is an interesting feature in the English language. It can be termed as a natural combination of words. That is, one word is habitually used with another, and that makes a collocation. There are no set rules. In fact, it has been habitually used so, and they have become collocations. Those words collocate or unite with each other. So here you have interesting pictures trying to depict collocations. Let's take the first one. We all make mistakes. Yes, many of us make this error of using do a mistake or did a mistake, which is not correct. The right thing is the right usage is we all make a mistake. We make mistakes, not do or did. And of course, we can also say commit a mistake. So here the collocation is make a mistake, not do or did a mistake. The second one is, here you find two people speaking to each other. So it's a conversation. So what's the collocation with conversation? It's always have a conversation or had a conversation. Conversation is a dialogue between or among people. We always have conversations on the ban of plastics. We always have conversations when we have a cup of coffee in the evening. So having a conversation. So the collocation here is have a conversation or had a conversation if you're talking about the past tense. Now, if you look at the third picture, yes, of course, we're just speaking about coffee. We have coffee there, and of course, the interesting word break. So it's always not had a break, but take a break. We always take a break. The collocation with break is take a break. And in the next picture, you have few people speaking. They're all standing, and two of them, that is the person in the middle, is trying to listen to both of them. So what exactly are they doing? They are trying to give advice. So the collocation with advice is, give advice. And then here we have a cup. Of course, let's presume that there's coffee in the cup, and we are supposed to say a strong cup of coffee, not powerful cup of coffee. So here the collocation is always strong coffee. I would like to have a strong cup of coffee or strong coffee. So this is the right collocation. And when we look at the next picture, in fact, coming back to this picture, it's always strong coffee. It cannot be powerful coffee or heavy coffee. But heavy can actually collocate with the next image where we have rain. We are supposed to say heavy rain. Heavy rain is the right collocation and not strong rain or powerful rain. This is a wrong usage. So the collocation here is heavy rain. And the next one is pay attention. So when we use the phrase pay attention, we are supposed to say pay attention to something, not on something. Pay attention to is correct and on is wrong. So the students were paying attention to the lecture. We are all trying to pay attention to your advice. So pay attention always takes to. And then the next one is, we have a picture where the girl is trying to show something. There's a symbol of there's some light there, maybe an idea or a suggestion. And so whenever you are speaking about suggestion, the collocation is make a suggestion, not give a suggestion. My friend made a suggestion, not my friend gave a suggestion. Gave does not collocate or cannot be clubbed with suggestion. So we always make suggestions, or I made a suggestion yesterday to my sister. So the collocation for suggestion is always make. And then the last picture is, it's always switch off or switch on the light. Or we can also say turn off the light. We can also say turn off the light, but not close the light, which is wrong, or off the light, which is also not acceptable. So these are collocations which are commonly used, and there are also some common errors that we encounter. So trying to look at these images, I hope you could understand the collocations. We'll discuss more collocations in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.